Check their track record, review references, and see whether they have expertise in your industry. Good builders should be transparent with great communication. A great question to ask when looking for an automation partner would be, give me an example of the last time you had a problem or a failure, and how did you correct it? How a builder addresses problems speaks to their character and integrity.
We want to prove to you that we're in this for your best interest. We want to make it a win-win. They see that we're not in it just to sell them every penny. We want to make this a success because I don't want to replace that customer. We have customers that have been with us for 35 years. You don't get that because you're doing everything that you can to upsell them and move more volume and force them into decisions that they don't want to make. We get that because they call us and they trust us. And if they trust us, they're going to just keep calling and just keep buying equipment. If I was new, I would be looking for that relationship.